Ooh, hey mom, why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you teach me a thing or two? You just let me go out into the world. You never thought to share what you knew. So I walked in the rebars, got hit by a train, keep falling in love, which is kind of the same. I've sung that at sea, caressed my car, gone insane, and I feel so good, I wanna do it again. And hey mom, why didn't you want me? Cause that boys is something I should have known. They're like chocolate cake, like cigarettes. Another bed for me, but I just can't leave them alone. So I walked under a bus, I got hit by a train, keep falling in love, which is kind of the same. I've sung that at sea, caressed my girl, gone insane, and I feel so good, I wanna do it again. Yeah.